evening. On behalf of Audi of America, I want to welcome you all here tonight. Thank you for coming. We've got a wonderful, wonderful program. You're going to hear a lot about Crown Audi, a lot about our products, and about the drivers. First, I want to thank the team from Bang & Olufsen in Hyde Park. They're providing this awesome sound system here tonight. And now I want to turn to the team here at Crown Audi. This is the team that drives this dealership. From this team last year, this is the only dealership in America where we picked a technician to work on our race team. And last year, Thaddeus, raise your hand, helped us win NCAP. This year, we get in a contest among the Tampa dealers, and we will also be putting one of the winning technicians on the race team, and it's going to be Matt. Matt, Scott, come on up. Matt will be there tomorrow morning to ensure that these two gentlemen over here win. I'm going to give you a couple things. Can you hold this over? And the most important thing of all, the credential gets them anywhere. Perfect. Matt, have fun. Make sure we win. Thank you. Tonight I want to make sure we've got this wonderful race car, but I also want to make sure everyone knows that we've got a lot of new products here. We've got the new Audi 85 sitting right behind the team from Crown Audi. We have the new Audi S5 outside, the driving experience car, the sports car experience. You can drive that car and this car at our sports car experience. Go to AudiUSA.com. Well, we've got some brochures here tonight where you can actually put that car on the track and have fun with it. And I want to turn it over to the rest of the race team. Hope you enjoy your evening, and thanks for coming.
Thank you, Ian. As Ian said, there's a wonderful staff here available tonight to answer any questions about the Audi product line. If you'd like more information about Audi Motorsports, I would like to introduce Mr. Rod Bymaster here in the gray shirt. He can answer any questions about these race cars that you have here on display. So let's talk a little bit about racing. As you can see in front of you is the Audi R10 TDI, a diesel-powered race car that is high performance, clean emissions, and extremely quiet. So to introduce this racing car to you, we have a short video, so please focus your attention right behind me, and we'll show you all about the Audi R10 TDI.